In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a base for invoices using Airtable. If you're looking to streamline your invoicing process, stay tuned. We'll get started by opening up Google Chrome and navigating to the Airtable website at airtable.com. If you haven't signed up already, you'll need to create an account, but if you're already set, just log in. Once you're in, look for the option to add a base. This is where all the magic begins. Click on the plus add a base button, and when prompted, name your base Invoices. This is going to be your central hub for managing all your invoicing needs. Next, you'll want to add some fields to keep track of important information for each invoice. Start by creating fields for client name and email. These will help you organize and easily identify who each invoice is for. Then, add fields for service or product, quantity, and rate or price, so you can specify exactly what you're charging for and how much. Don't forget to include an invoice date field to record when each invoice is issued. Lastly, add a status field to mark whether each invoice has been paid or is still unpaid. These basic fields ensure your records are comprehensive and clear. To make calculations easier, we're going to use Airtable AI. Add a new AI field to your base and select Formula AI Assist. You can then ask Airtable AI to calculate the total for each invoice. Simply input the formula, which is quantity times rate, or you can write calculate total equals quantity x rate. The AI will auto-generate the formula for you, saving you time and effort. Let's take it a step further by generating invoice numbers automatically. You'll need to add a new formula field for this. Use the formula Invoice 2025 Record ID to create unique sequential invoice numbers. If you want to customize these further, such as adding client initials, the AI can assist with that too. Now let's move on to designing your invoice. Head over to the Interfaces section and create a new interface. Select a form or report style interface. Drag and drop fields like client, items, total, and invoice number to craft a professional-looking invoice layout. Add your company logo and any branding elements you want to include, which will enhance your invoice's appearance and create a strong brand presence. After setting up your invoice design, automate the creation and distribution process. Navigate to automations and set a trigger for when a record is created or updated. For the action, choose to generate an invoice PDF using the Page Designer block. If you use tools like Zapier or Make, you can connect them to automate this further. Add a second action to automatically send this invoice via email. Attach the PDF and send it directly to your client with just a few clicks. Finally, to share or download invoices, simply download them as PDFs. You can email them using direct links or set up a secure client portal using interface sharing for added convenience. And there you have it, a streamlined, automated invoice system using Airtable that's ready to enhance your workflow and impress your clients.